Let me guess, you've been hearing about people making crazy money online, working from their bed, sipping smoothie, and you are like, God, when? But maybe you think you need millions to start, or you are waiting to save up first. My friend, wake up. Today, I'm showing you how to start an online business with just ChatGPT and zero capital. Yes, you heard that right, zero capital. And don't worry, this is not one of those fake, just believe in yourself and the morning will appear talks. I'll break it down step by step, Naija style, so you can understand me with real example and a little call me pepper because this like is too hard to be serious all the time. Instead of stressing your brain for weeks like you are writing WAEC, ChatGPT can help you find trendy, low competition business idea. Here's the magic. Visit your ChatGPT account and type the following exact prompts. You are an expert business consultant. Suggest 10 profitable online business ideas I can start in 2025 with zero upfront cost, high demand, and low competition. Include a short description of each target audience and why it is profitable. And just like that, in seconds, ChatGPT will give you ideas from selling digital planners to running niche social media pages to offering resume writing services for job seekers abroad. You see how some people travel to Dubai just to buy and sell wigs? You can sell knowledge, templates, or services without even leaving your room or wearing trousers. But let's leave that aside and move on. Okay, great, you have an idea, but before you rush and tell your church WhatsApp group that you have a new business loading, let's check if people actually want this kind of business you have discovered. So to do that, use these prompts. Create a market research summary for so business, so you insert the business in the box. Include the target audience, potential competitors, pricing trends, and the main challenges in the market. Suggest how to stand out. In less than 30 seconds, ChatGPT will serve you a mini market research report free of charge. You will know if your target audience even exists, how much they are willing to pay, and where your competitors are sleeping so you can take over from there. Now let's move to the fun part, branding. And no, you don't even need to hire one expensive agency in Lekki. ChatGPT will give you 15 brand names and taglines in seconds. Use the following prompt. You are a creative brand strategist. Generate 15 brand names and matching taglines for so business idea. They should be memorable, easy to spell, and suitable for social media handles. And just like that, we are the CEO of Global Solutions or BuzzMove. All those templates will pop up, and all you did was just copy and paste. Honestly, some people have been looking for business names for 3 years, but now with ChatGPT, you will finish in 3 minutes and still have time to eat jollof. Whether you want to sell an ebook, an online course, a design template, or a service package, ChatGPT can create your product outline from scratch. So use the following prompt to achieve that. You are an experienced digital product creator. Create a complete outline for a certain type of product like beginner's guide to budgeting and blah blah blah, including chapter titles, main points in each chapter, and the suggested word count. From there, you just fill in the content or even ask ChatGPT to help you write each section. My tip for you today is that digital products are gold because you create once, sell forever. No shipping, no customs wahala, and no leper excuse. Now you need a place for people to actually see your products. You can build a free site using durable.co, card.co, or Notion. Or if you want to sell directly, use seller.co. This is perfect for Naija sellers. And now I just remember you need a prompt for your website copy. Well, I got you covered. Write a high converting landing page for your business name. Insert your business name, including a headline, sub-headline, benefit list, call to action, and a short founder stories. And just like that, you have a professional site without touching a single line of code. Now it is time to tell the world about your business. Forget billboard and TV ads. Use free marketing on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and ChatGPT is still your go-to guy. Use these prompts. Like viral content strategist, give me 20 short-form content ideas to promote certain products. So insert your product on certain platform. Include a hook, main message, and call to action for each of them. With these, you can make fun, catchy videos that pull people in. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. So you can literally be a billionaire online and still walk to the market in peace because nobody knows you except your village people maybe. Once the customers start coming in, keep the energy. ChatGPT can help you write your email sales sequence, customer service replies, and even help you to upsell your offers. So let me give you a prompt for that as well. Write a 5-day email sales sequence for your product or service. So input the product inside. Each email should should focus on building trust, handling objections, and encouraging the reader to buy. This way, you are not chasing customers one by one. Your emails simply do the work for you while you sleep. So my friend, no more excuses. No capitals, no problem. No ideas, ChatGPT has the ideas. No design skills, ChatGPT will handle that as well. In 2025, your biggest enemy is not the economy, it is procrastination. If you want me to make a full video showing me starting a business from scratch using just ChatGPT, drop show me in the comment section. If you've been blessed by these gist, like the video, share it with that one friend who always says one day I will start. Your one day is today. And if you also want to get access to all the prompts I've used in this video, I'll be dropping them in my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. The link is down below. Make sure you join it. Whatever you do, never stop making money.